Andre? Okay na. Nalilate yung tayo. Ay, sino ba? Sige.
Bayang mag-ibig, sa sinanganan, alam ng puso, sa liway ang buyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisir, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mo'y bukaw, may nilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang islap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin na karamya kailan pa may magdiaman at ipagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligapi ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Ako ay
ng Pilipinas,
sa watawat ng Pilipinas,
sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag,
at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag,
na may dangal,
na may dangal,
katarungan at kalayaan,
katarungan at kalayaan,
nakikilos ng sambayan ng makadiyos,
nakikilos ng sambayan ng makadiyos,
makatao,
makalikasan,
at makabansa.
at makabansa.
Po kami na magkakasama po tayong lahat sa napaka-importanting araw na ito. Now, to start the program, may we request Monsignor Don Vito Pavilando for the invitation.
Ngalan ng Ama, at ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo.
Amen.
Panginoon Diyos Ama, nagpapasalamat kami sa iyo sa araw na ito, araw ng aming kalayaan bilang isang bayan, ang bayang Pilipinas. Ikaw ang pinagmubulan at ang kalayaan mismo. Sa tulong mo, nakamit namin ang aming kalayaan. Sa tulong mo rin, mapapanatili namin itong kalayaan. Pagpalain mo po kami na gamitin namin itong kalayaan sa pagpipili at pagsasagawa ng kabutihan. Naway pahalagahin namin ang buhay ng bawat mamamayan mula sa sinapupunan ng ina hanggang sa libingan. Naway magsikap kami at magtulungan na maiahahon ang aming mga sarili, ang aming mga pamilya at ang aming mga kababayan sa kahirapan at madala kami sa tunay na kaunlaran. Ilayo mo po kami sa pag-abuso nitong kalayaan sa pagyapak ng katarungan ng iba, kundi sa pagtanggol, lalo na ng mga naapi at walang kakayahan. Naway kami maging handa na magsakripisyo at maging saksi sa katatagan at pagkamakatarungan ng isang Pilipino, lalo na kami na narito sa Pransya, ang kandungan ng demokrasya. Ito'y hiniling namin sa ngalan ni Jesucristo na iyong anak na nabubuhay at naghahari kasama mo at kaisa ng Espiritu Santo magpasawalang hanggan. Amen. Sa ngalan ng mga anak ng Espiritu Santo.
Ito namin ang Presidente ng General Committee of Philippine Associations in France, Mr. Dennis Manay.
Umaga mga kababayan, kapwa Pilipino, at ating mga leaders ng iba't ibang organisasyon, Monsignor, lalo sa ating ambassador. Sa ating imbahada, sa pamumuno ng ating butihing ambassador, Ms. Teresa P. Lazaro, na walang pagod na pagtulong para maibigay ang tamang serbisyo sa ating kababayan dito sa Pransya, maipagtibay ang relasyon ang bansang Pilipinas at ang Pransya na itunuturing nating pangalawang bansa. Kami nagpapasalamat. Sa mumuno ng ating simbahan, Monsignor, at iba't ibang religious organization na patuloy na pagbigay ng gabay sa ating mga kabataan, mga kababayan, para sa ikabuti nating mga mamayan, marahil marapatin lamang na malaking taos-pusong nagpapasalamat kami sa inyong malaking kontribusyong serbisyo publiko. Ano ba ang kasukatan, kalayaan? Paano natin madama ang kalayaan? Itong pagdiriwang ng 170th years of Declaration of the Philippine Independence, ang ating bansa ay isang makahulugang araw para sa ating Pilipino. Tayong nandito sa Pransya, kabilang sa maraming hanay ng mga OFW sa iba't ibang sulok ng daigdig, sa pamagitan ng ating remittance, ay pinapadala, tayo ay nagbigay ambag at pag-unlad para ikumit kalayaan pang ipinumaya ng ating bansa. No administration is perfect. After almost 5 years in government under present administration of President Pinoy, we saw all positive economic indication in the Philippines. Before the Philippines, we called the sick man of Asia, now is the second fastest growing economy in the region. All this is not a miracle. It is because of economic reforms that has been taken by his administration at tahakin ang tuwid na daan. Now, if we want this to continue in the next administration, ito ang kalayaan nating huwag iilik ang kurap sa pwesto na dating darating na halalan. Sa aking mga kasamahan dito sa komunidad, pamuno ng mga leader ng iba't ibang organisasyon, sa dakila ninyong taos-pusong maibahagi ang kalayaan sa kapwa nating Pilipino sa pamamagitan ng bigay voluntaryo serbisyo sa ating komunidad nandito sa Pilipinas, abot ng inyong makakaya sa social action program na ginagawa ng iba't ibang organisasyon sa pagbigay scholars, halimbawa kayo nakakatulong sa pagbigay kalayaan. Ang bansang Pilipinas ay walang halintulad ng isang ina. Dapat dinggin, marahil humingi ng tulong sa kanyang anak sa pag-aruga. Ito'y tayong mga mamayan ang tutugon. Sa pangkatahimikan, dapat tayong lahat ay magkaisa at marapatin lamang magpanatili ang matagal na natin nakamit na kalayaan para si pagpatuloy ang kapayapaan at ang pag-unlad ng ating bansang Pilipinas. Sa ating kababayan na rito ngayon at nakikisa sa pagdiriwang itong 170th anniversary ng kalayaan, lalong-lalo na ang mga pinuno ng iba't ibang organisasyon na bumubuo at nakikisa sa organisasyong darating sa kapistahan ng Paris, sa ating embahada sa pamumuno ng ating ambasador, si Consul Margie Bayan, para magbigay kasiyahan sa kapwa sa pagdiriwang ng isang mahalagang araw kalayaan ng ating bansang Pilipinas. Sa pangalan ng SIGAP, Core Group Officers, bagkus kami nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay tayong naririto, mabuhay ang Pilipino, at mabuhay ang samayang Pilipinas.
Prayers, Albert Del Rosario. We invite Consul General Dina Amaton.
This is the message of the Secretary of Foreign Affairs. As we celebrate the 117th anniversary of the proclamation of Philippine independence with pride and poignant remembrance, we honor the sacrifices of our heroes who fought with incredible courage to secure our freedom as a nation. From Dr. Hussein Rizal to Andres Bonifacio and Apolinario Mabini, our timeless champions continue to inspire the Philippines to be proud of its past, faithful to the present, and confident about its future. In the last 5 years, under the Aquino administration's reform agenda, dubbed Tuwid na Daan, our country has never been more optimistic about its future. Now, more than ever, the Philippines is assured of its role in the community of responsible nations. This year's theme, Kalayaan 2015, Tagumpay sa Pagbabagong Nasimulan, abot kamay na ng bayan. Therefore, comes with renewed international confidence in the Philippines' potential, not only as one of Asia's growth engines, but also in its emerging role as a lead advocate in the region on the primacy of the rule of law. We continue to call on all our kababayans to do their share in building a progressive Philippines. We encourage investors and development partners to help us achieve a truly inclusive Filipino society. We envision the current and the next generation Filipino leaders and social entrepreneurs to continue the reform agenda so that, in the words of President Benigno Aquino III, no one is left behind. In commemorating this year's Independence Day, let the lives of our national heroes remind us of the powerful lessons of choice, inclusiveness, and above all, the very nature that makes us all human, the capacity to do good and to achieve greatness. Mabuhay ang araw ng kalayaan. Signed, Albert F. Rosario, Secretary of Foreign Affairs.
Consul General. And now, upang Her Excellency Ambassador Maria Teresa Lazaro.
Sabi ito pong mensahe ng Pangulong Aquino na kasalukuyan ginaganap ang Independence Day rights sa Iloilo. I join all Filipinos across the globe in celebrating the 117th anniversary of the proclamation of Philippine independence. Today, our shared heritage comes to the fore as our hearts swell with pride to commemorate this pivotal milestone in our history. We honor the courage, selflessness, greed, resolve, and passion of our forefathers, who won us our liberty and marked our identity as a people. 117 years later, we stand humbled by and grateful for their gift of sovereignty. We are reminded that ours is a democracy earned through the valiant sacrifices of our predecessors and a relentless pursuit of peace, development, and solidarity. Through the tides of fate have brought us to different shores, our rallying cry resonates with the same dream for our countrymen, an inclusive, progressive nation. We call on you to exercise the rights and freedom born from the toil of our ancestors and contribute towards shaping a more proactive and mature discourse, perpetuating positive change to the broader spectrum of society and emancipating our citizenry from the shackles of poverty, corruption, and greed. Together, let us weave our own voices of compassion and hope into a narrative of resilience and empowerment, and make tangible the legacy we are crafting. The Philippines we will all be proud to bequeath to the coming generations. May we all have a meaningful Independence Day. Signed, Benigno S. Aquino III, Manila, June 12, 2015. Maraming pong salamat. Po namin kayong lahat, umakyat dun sa ating, for all the community leaders. And maraming pong salamat sa pagdadalo nito ngayon. Thank you.
Opportunity with the ambassador. Ang iba po namin bisita, inaanyayahan na po namin kayong umakyat or our breakfast. Salamat po.
So much dito tayo, hindi dyan dito. Okay. Alright.
Pwede na rin?
Sir?
Alright. Okay.
Uy!
Video daw.
Uy. Sandali Ako muna.
Yan.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Meron pa isa. Sir, ba't hindi ba ito? Ayun.
Malay dancer mo yan.
Isa pa po.
Dating malay dancer yan.
Ready, 1.
No, sir, pagkarap na, sir. Sige.
Okay.
Okay na? Okay. Sure.
Ako po si Cherry Ramilo. Ako po ang presidente ng Pari Glamour at ako po ang mapalad na naging vice president po ng Core Group 2015. At nagpapasalamat po kami dahil napaka saya po at nagdiriwang po kami ngayon ng ating kalayaan ng ating bansa dito sa Paris at napakasaya po at nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga heroes natin na talagang nagpursige po na makamit po natin ang ating kalayaan. Maraming salamat po.
Ganun din before it was done on situation. There's a lot of regulations.
Ate Jane, sarap naman.
Ano pa natin gagawin dyan? Kayo, siguro.
Happy 117th anniversary po sa ating mga kapwa Pilipino. Ako po si Annie S. Chicomen, President po ng Calabarzon and Metro Manila Association in France, at bumabati po sa ating lahat ng Happy Independence Day. Thank you. Dahil proud po ako maging Pilipino at yan po ang ating naging dahilan ng ating kalayaan. Kaya tayo po naandito sa bansang ito dahil malaya po tayo nakakalabas ng ating country at ang ating pong karangalan ay naandoon sa puso po natin. At ayun lang po. Thank you.
Baka makapanggising ka.
Okay.
Ako po si Pastora Divina Agapay ng Jesus Lord Church based ho dito sa Paris. At kami po ay natutuwa at narito kami nakikiisa po at nakikigalak sa pagdiriwang po ng Araw ng Kalayaan po ng ating bansang Pilipinas. At kami po ay nananalangin na patuloy pong mararanasan ng ating bansang Pilipinas ang patuloy na kalayaan. At patuloy kong dinideklara din po ang patuloy na pagpapala ng Diyos na ibuhos sa ating bansang Pilipinas at sa lahat po ng mga Pilipino saan man dako ng mundo. God bless po, Philippines.
Nandito po sa Paris, Sister Marjo Matias, Religious of the Assumption. Nandito po kami sa Paris. Nagagala kaming makiisa sa pagdiriwang ng ating kalayaan. Naway magbunga ng malago at maganap. Maraming salamat at magandang araw sa inyo lahat.
Kundi, 117 na tayong nag-enjoy ng independence natin. Siguro tayo lalo na nasa labas ng Pilipinas, tayo yung muka ng mga kamukha dito sa Pransya, dito sa France, tayo nakikita nila. So pagigihin lang natin ang ating work ethics, ang ating values na hinahangaan ng mga French people. Pagigihin natin yan because lalong lumalapit yung dalawang bayan. Lumalapit ang dalawang bayan dahil sa inyo. Dahil sa mga residents at the same time mga workers natin dito sa France. Yun lang po, and I hope that we continue having this relationship, a stronger relationship because of our people. Salamat!
Allez, avance.
Mais attends, je te téléphone.
Mais oui.
De toute façon, ils savent.
Yeah, I'm Dennis, and we're in Paris with all people from all political parties and from all different thinking, and just in solidarity of what happened with Charlie Hebdo. And I think it's something very important because we think like thousands and maybe millions of people in France gathering together today, and it's one of the main things that happened since a long time in France, since maybe the liberation and most before. And I think it's very important for each person to be here and with that solidarity, and thank you to be here. We are Dennis Grognard. Dennis Grognard.
Thank you very much. Voilà, tu commences à respirer un petit peu là.
Liberté, 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 liberté.
It's Dulce.
Bakit ka nandito?
Kasi nakatira na ako dito, and I think it's super important to show that we support free speech, and so that's why I'm here.
So, saan ka dati sa atin?
Manila.
Anong ginagawa mo ron?
Designer.
So, dito, ano ngayon?
I'm also a designer here. So,
Palagay mo, kiklik ka dito?
Oui. But yeah, I think it's super important to support free speech, and I hope that wherever you are, whoever you are in the world, you will come to support and help support important events and important things like this, because it's a really important day in French politics, not just for France but also for the world.
So ano ngayon naramdaman mo napatay na yung mga terrorists?
Actually, I don't think that that's the solution. I think that it was more, what they should have done was, you can't fight hate with hate. So by showing that you can also kill. I know they're trying to show that they're powerful as a nation, but I don't agree with it because it's still death. And I think that you can't fight death with death. I mean, the only solution is to like peacefully protest like the way it's happening now.
Yeah, we come from India. We are here to support liberty of expression. Yeah.
Whatever is happening, it's very unexpected and it's just an attack on humanity. So we are against that and we support Charlie.
Yeah, we have been a peace-loving country since long time, and we understand these kind of acts. So we are in support this freedom of expression in this case.
May I know your name, ma'am?
Namrata Shinde.
Thank you. Namrata?
Months. Yeah?
Can you tell me why are you here?
I'm here because I want to support the French people that are here with us, and it's a way that we want to tell that we're not afraid of anything, that we want everybody to be together, that we don't have any wars of religion. And, you know, my island is an island that has a lot of violence as well. And, you know, it's just so strange to live that in Paris because I've been living here for quite a while. And, you know, I'm out there to support all those innocent people that were killed for nothing. So here we are.
Same thing. Well said. It's the same. I'm German, I don't have my flag, but I say the same. We are here for support.
Thank you, sir.